Hello Daad community. Yesterday we discussed how can blockchain innovate the e-commerce industry. And today I am discussing about some samples of blockchain based e-commerce platforms which are Crypto Emporium. This is a crypto only e-commerce store that sells luxury products such as car, watches, jewelry and electronics. It accepts various cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and more. It also offers a loyalty program and a referral system for its customers. Shopify. This is a popular e-commerce platform that allows businesses and independent merchants to create the online stores and sell their products. It supports multiple payment methods including cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash and much more. It also integrates with various blockchain applications such as OpenBazaar and BitPay. Permission.io. This is a blockchain e-commerce platform that rewards users for their time and data. It allows users to earn the cryptocurrency and that is called Ask by watching ads, shopping online and sharing their data. It also provides a marketplace where users can buy and sell products using Ask. Rising Max. This is a decentralized blockchain e-commerce marketplace that offers unmatched services to customers. It uses blockchain technology to secure user data, enable peer-to-peer payments, eliminate intermediaries, and manage the inventory. It also supports smart contracts and tokenization of assets. OpenBazaar. This is a peer-to-peer e-commerce platform that operates on a blockchain network. It allows users to buy and sell products directly without any fees or restrictions. It supports various cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin and much more. It also features a chat system, a reputation system and a dispute resolution system. There are some of the blockchain-based e-commerce platforms that you can explore in 2024 as they can provide you with more secure, efficient and transparent online shopping experiences. Thanks for watching. If you are new, please subscribe and share Daad Academy, an e-commerce mastery channel and ask questions in the comment section.